All over the Telangana region, celebrations have been going on ever since the Telangana bill was passed through the Lok Sabha. Here in Hyderabad, for several people, it's actually heaving a sigh of relief because the worst could have been expected if the Telangana bill had not been passed, because several leaders had said that tensions between the two people of the two regions is going to increase in case the bill is not passed. I am here at a park in Sikandrabad where several of those people, in fact, who participated in the 69 revolution were also there. What does this passing of the bill in Lok Sabha mean to you?
We are very happy, ma'am. We are struggling from last 60 years. This is the third liberation we got. One from British, one from Razakars, now from Andhra rulers.
Some kind of a liberation certainly is, but lots of hopes riding on this, so many dreams riding on this.
See, since 60 years we suffer like anything, our dream come true, and we are very happy. We are very thankful to Sonia Gandhi. Jai Sonia Gandhi, Jai Telangana. Jai
Isn't it true? Isn't it true that lots of dreams and hopes which are very, very difficult, now it's up to really the political leadership to be able to show a lot of vision?
Right, absolutely. Lot of hopes are there, but I don't think they are not impossible things. They are quite possible if you have a political will. There are ways which can, that these promises, the hopes of the people of Telangana can be fulfilled. Therefore, a young and new leadership in Telangana will emerge, and that leadership will certainly address the problems that have been raised during this agitation, promises that have been made during the agitation.
Actually, huge numbers of political parties, not just the Telangana Rashtra Samiti and the Telangana Congress. We also have the Telangana unit of the Telugu Desam, as well as several new groups also which are going to be talking about this Telangana cause. Everyone vying in a sense to take credit for this entire Telangana state formation. I also have with me some voices here who in a sense believe that right now at least it's not the time to express any disappointment. We need to go with the flow and live together. But several of those people from Seemandhra, at least 35% of the population in Hyderabad, in fact, is from the districts which are not considered part of Telangana. They have been here for several years and they believe they are also natives of this very place. But they are saying in many senses that they are not able to express themselves openly, at least for now.
It's not like that, madam, because 60 years of struggle have been fulfilled now. I should compliment and congratulate my Telangana friends, and both regions, now they should cool down and think how to develop the regions.